Hello and welcome to the Qatar news in a bit more than 60 seconds. This is a look back on the previous week, ending today on Friday the 24th of April 2020. So let's kick off with last Saturday, when we were told that there was no need to be worried or anxious about the increasing number of COVID-19 cases. There were reassurances that the rising numbers were due to social proximity among certain categories in the society. And in fact, we should look upon the increase positively because it highlights the strengths of our health system and the transparency with which it's reported. A list of 500 products that are going to be discounted during the holy month of Ramadan, including food and non-food items, was released. And the Doha Film Institute launched a screenwriting lab online. Moving on to Sunday, we were told that workers in the quarantined industrial area are being well looked after. The government had set up a supply chain for food and essential commodities, and supermarkets, pharmacies and money exchanges were all open as usual. Also, 3 field hospitals were nearing completion, which would carry out tests and extend medical care to workers in the quarantined area. And Ooredoo installed a thermal camera system to identify customers with high temperatures and prevent them from entering their Al Sadd branch. On Monday, Hamad Medical Corporation said that they were dealing with 5,000 virtual consultations a week. This is where patients receive care over the telephone, and Hamad say that they are offering 15 specialties 7 days a week. Google joined the government's CRA remote working initiative and offer businesses some free services for a limited time. And if you're a YouTube Premium subscriber, you can now pay for the service as part of your Ooredoo bill or have it deducted from your available credit balance. On Tuesday, we were told that 6,500 workers had been moved out of the quarantined industrial area and had been moved to purpose-built quarantine facilities located elsewhere in Qatar. This was in preparation for the partial reopening of the industrial area expected to start the next day. Those in Qatar on visit visas got some excellent news. Due to the fact that they are unable to travel home, their visit visas would be automatically extended completely free of charge. And Metrash 2 introduced the ability to file a criminal complaint online. Wednesday brought the news that food pickup from your favourite restaurants was no longer possible. A ban on picking up orders was imposed, meaning that now the only option for restaurants and cafes was to offer a home delivery service. The government issued guidelines for people working from home, saying that their salaries, benefits and work-life balance should remain unchanged. Following in the footsteps of other supermarkets, Almira said they were making the wearing of masks mandatory to enter their shops. They also said that children under the age of 12 would not be allowed in stores either. On Thursday, it was announced that the wearing of face masks was now compulsory while shopping, and also while in work or visiting offices, both government and private. The working hours of the holy month of Ramadan were announced as 4 hours for government and 6 hours a day for private companies. And the Doha Film Institute began offering their short film of the week screenings completely free of charge. Available every Thursday on their YouTube channel, the screenings include extras and behind the scenes material. Today, Friday the 24th, was the first day of the holy month of Ramadan. A report on a speech given by His Highness the Emir yesterday covered points such as negligence would not only lead to you contracting the COVID virus, but would also put others in danger as well. And the gradual reopening of different fields would be at an appropriate time following consultations with competent bodies. A summary of the week's daily announcements by the Ministry of Public Health gives a total of 3,661 newly identified cases of COVID-19, 335 recoveries, and sadly, 3 additional deaths this week. I'd like to finish by saying that here in Qatar we are blessed by not being under lockdown conditions. The preventative measures introduced by the Qatar government are sensible and very easily followed. The mantra "stay home, stay safe" still applies. Please protect yourself, the ones you love and indeed everyone else by simply not going out. And no matter how grim the week's news in Qatar is, at least we don't have to endure cringe-worthy reports on the likes of Harry and Meghan Markle. Stay safe, stay happy, and Ramadan Kareem to you all.